Hi, this is your movement docs, Nolan and Dom, back talking about how to avoid the hunchback. All right, if you missed our other videos, check them out. There's a few of them talking about how to avoid the hunchback, and today we are going to show you another great exercise.
This one is one of my favorites, and there are several progressions. So let's start with kind of the lowest progression to get you used to the movement, ease you into it. Foam roller, long shorts, you can place it horizontally on the mat, and Nolan here will help to demo. Can you please sit on the mat? And right here you can interlace your hands behind your neck and just very gently start to roll onto that foam roller. You do want to aim somewhat in the middle of the back underneath the shoulder blades. Now we'll bend his knees and you slowly begin to release your chest downwards. And just to get used to the movement, to create that spinal extension, no one can lift his hip bones towards the ceiling and then again drop them down towards the floor. So that feels pretty decent for you. You are open, so let's move you up a level. Sit up for me again. This really hefty, awesome tool that we use is called a yoga wheel. You can find different versions of this. The point is, it's awesome. You will place it on a floor and Nolan will do essentially the same thing. So slowly roll onto it, hands either at the chest or behind the neck, and he's going to lift his hip bones towards the ceiling and roll onto the wheel. Again, to create extension, hips will go down and up. Repeat the process several times. If this feels very comfortable, it will never feel comfortable, but if this feels very doable, you can use either a corner of your bed, a friend, or if you happen to have a kettlebell handy, you can use that as well. Place it on the floor. Nolan, can you extend your arms behind you and grasp onto the kettlebell? As an alternative, you can grab onto someone's legs, a chair, a bed, and here again you will drop your hip bones down towards the floor and then again lift them up towards the ceiling. It's definitely something that takes a little bit of getting used to, but trust us, do this consistently, you are going to feel amazing. Feel free to release, interlock your hands behind your neck, and nice and slow lift yourself back up onto a seat. Ooh, it is a big one. Like, follow, subscribe,
and be body wise.
Thank you.